Hello again and welcome back to another video. Today I've got something a little bit different and a little bit interesting. Well, it should be interesting anyway. So I've gone back onto Instagram again after not posting for a while. I basically forgot I had Instagram for my YouTube. But anyway, I've started posting again, and yesterday I posted about a boot fair, an image of me at boot fair, and I just made a post about this here car. The boot fair wasn't very good. I actually recorded the boot fair this time, so there'll be a video up about that, looking at the cars and what might be there. But to be honest, nothing caught my eye except for this here Dodge Charger, and I think it's a pretty cool one. It ain't in the best nick, as you can tell by the back and the front. The wheels are bent, the front ones don't drive very well, so I think it will need some new wheels. Yeah, you can sort of see here they're sticking out from each other. So yeah, but now here's the thing. I wasn't sure if what I want to do with this car. I mean, I've had ideas for... I did think about restoring it, but finding the colour and doing the tampos, I'm not at that stage yet. So it's between the two options of taking it apart and customising it as a Mad Max custom, which I do love doing. I've actually got 2 Mad Max customs already done. It's just editing the videos up and getting them out. And I've also started work on a normal custom, which looks really cool. So I had the idea, which could go well, it might not, because it depends how many people actually contribute and how many people vote on it. But yeah, I had the idea to start up a little vote so you guys can decide the fate of this car. So yeah, the options are to make it a Mad Max custom, so, you know, Mad Maxify it, if that's even a word. Make it sort of like an apocalyptic car, doing all the sort of mad customizations and rust and, you know, all that kind of stuff. I'm sure you know what I mean by that. Or just make a really, really cool custom. I'm thinking some sort of black car, maybe putting a big splitter on it. Keeping the engine and putting some more detail on the engine, maybe. Well, that could be quite cool, actually, couldn't it? But I can't make up my mind. I'm more torn towards making a normal custom, but I also want to make a Mad Max custom. But yeah, anyway, I will let you lot decide the fate of this car. Will it become a Mad Max custom, or should I just do a really cool street rod muscle car? That is up to you guys. So leave a comment down below which you want to see. And yeah, I'll be taking a look at all the votes from the comments section down below, and if I get any recommendations on Instagram, I'll also put them in as well. And obviously, whatever is commented more out of the 2, I will then do to this here car. So I'll leave this up for a week, I suppose. I'll give it about a week maybe to sort of get any comments in, because that's probably a good time to leave it. As I said before, because I'm quite a small channel, I don't know how many people are going to comment on this. Probably not many, but, you know, if I get 2 on one and 1 on the other, well, that's enough to make the decision, isn't it? So, fair enough. So, yeah, trying something new, I think this will be pretty fun, pretty interesting. You will decide the destiny of this here car. And, of course, as I said, I'm now posting again on Instagram. I've got 2 accounts. I've got Austin Hot Wheels and Austin, my normal account. So be sure to follow them and check them out. They're mainly for advertisement to sort of get people to view this here channel. But yeah, I'll be posting on there little snippets, maybe some spoilers, who knows. And of course I've got the camper car thing going on, so I'll be posting a bit out on there, as well as making videos on that very soon. So yeah, thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a comment down below for this car, because yeah, I've got ideas for both, so I can't decide what to do. Anyway, let me know down below what you want to see, and of course I'll see you in the next video.